Today I will be making a strawberry horchata iced coffee. Well, if you've seen the video when I made the strawberry horchata, then you know. If you don't know, now you know. But you will know in this video. Horchata. My milk, I'm going to use this to make my coffee. My 2 packets of instant coffee. Another cold foam. And in the cold foam, I have my heavy whipping cream. As well as strawberries and cream. My finishing sugar. I'm going to use a little bit of my cinnamon syrup. And my salt. My strawberry spread. Heavy whipping cream. And I don't know if I'm going to need it, but I might just want to add a little bit more sugar. Because the horchata that I made, believe me, you don't need it. However, I am gonna be adding the coffee, and yeah, it might need it. It might like dilute the taste a little bit. Gotta be quick for me, baby. Okay, so that's about it. I'm gonna get started. All right, I'm gonna be able to shake everything, so I'm gonna put everything in here. Pour my milk in here. Put in my 2 packets of instant coffee. Put in some salt. Strawberries and cream. Half tablespoon. Lid on here, I'm gonna shake it up. I'm gonna taste it real quick. Smell good. Smell good. Do got a hint of that strawberry. I can taste the coffee. I want to put a little bit of sugar in there. I really do. Half tablespoon powdered sugar. Hot sugar. All right, shake it back up. Yeah, the coffee's strong, but still a little bit of sweetness. Not overly sweet that I would do it, because like I said, the horchata is kind of sweet, so this is good. I'm gonna drizzle the cup. I'm gonna take my cup that I'm gonna be using, and I'm gonna drizzle it with the strawberry spread. Okay, this is how I look. Now when I made the horchata, I also put the strawberry around it. This time I'm gonna use my cinnamon. Take this cup and go ahead and rim it. The strawberries and cream, and pour a little bit here on that as well. Pretty out. Alright, set this aside. Alright, I'm gonna make my cold foam real quick. I'm gonna use the rest of my heavy whipping cream. Half tablespoon of the powdered sugar. I also want to use the half tablespoon of the strawberries and cream. I'm also going to use a half tablespoon of the cinnamon buns. 1 teaspoon of the strawberry spread. Salt, baby. Put that in there. Blend this up. Alright. That's how it looks inside. This is good, baby. Okay, I have my coffee ice in here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the strawberry horchata. Wait, did I put the other? Wait, did I put the other? I'm showing y'all how to make horchata again, the strawberry kind, without the coffee. I don't feel like making this over. I could drink some down, but then it's like my cold foam. I got a little left, but I'll just drink this down, and then I'm gonna add in my. It's still good. Put some in there. Go ahead and put that in there. Alright, I'm gonna sprinkle some more of this. And I still got more syrup, the cinnamon, and I put a little bit on here. This is how you do it now. Now it's not as pretty, because I didn't start over, and if I did it correctly the first time, oh yeah, we're gonna skip the taste there. Mm. Mm. The strawberry pretty good, and I taste it. It pretty good with the coffee, which I taste as well. It do taste sweet, not overly sweet, but sweet enough. It's kind of giving me, the Napolitan. I got the strawberry, the vanilla, and the chocolate. Now, when I haven't ate it in a while, but when I did just eat it, I used to like exclude the chocolate and just get the white and vanilla. Now, if I did have to get the chocolate, it was less chocolate than the white and vanilla. It's kind of giving that, but with coffee added to it. Mm. Mm. I like this, huh? I just wanted it to look as pretty as it did. It's still a pretty though, but still. This is good. I just have to rate this a 10. 10 all day, baby. Now, if I would have had it like a little bit more pretty, like how I did it the first time, before I messed it up, it probably would have been at 10.5. However, 10 all day, baby. Make it. Yeah, let's see.